Today is February the 18th, 2015. 2015. I'm checking into refrigeration in the refrigerator for home use. And artificial refrigeration began in the mid 1750s and developed in the early 1800s. In 1834, the first working vapor compression refrigerator system was built. The first commercial ice making machine was invented in 1854. In 1913, refrigerators for home use were invented. In 1923, Frigidaire introduced the first self-contained unit. So it took until 1923 for refrigerator for home use that's self-contained for home use. So it's the refrigerator. Refrigeration is the hardest, is the one appliance most people can't live without. And here's mine. It's a hot point. It's a hot point refrigerator or freezer. You got the freezer top and refrigerator at the bottom. But this is the one appliance most people cannot live without. So I'm assuming that it got the what do you call it, the appliance that changed the way of living from an ice box to an electric refrigerator. It started the revolution started in 1923. So it took all those years up until 1923 to develop a refrigerator that is suitable for home use. So that's I'm kind of into that stuff. What really is a development for mankind. It's kind of like walking on the moon for the first time. In 1969, July 1969, walking on the moon. But yeah, a refrigerator. That's the one appliance that most people cannot live without. I mean, think about it. I'm a chocolate milk drinker, and you know, without this refrigerator, I couldn't be a chocolate milk drinker, because milk would spoil within a matter of hours. You can't keep milk very long. What would I have to do? Get a cow? I have to get a cow. And then I have to get a place to put the cow. And the only time that you might get by without a refrigerator is in the winter. And check out here. Check out outside. See? And right there's another refrigeration thing. An air conditioner. I'm not sure when they developed that, but an air conditioner is another neat appliance. You don't have to have that. I mean, it don't matter where you live. You don't have to have an air conditioner. You can live in the middle of Texas or California and not have to have an air conditioner, but that does have refrigerant to keep you cool. But yeah, watch all my videos. I'm gonna be posting a lot of them, so watch them. And some of them are informative, like this one, this refrigeration one, that most people couldn't live without. That's one major appliance you cannot live without. The refrigerator. This thing right here, with a freezer and refrigeration. You cannot live without that. I mean, that's. I mean, you could, but it'd be really hard. You can't live without a refrigerator. it'd be hard.